Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics: mobile data and a compatible plan. First, unlock your Samsung and go straight to Settings, then Connections. Once there, open Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap the Mobile Hotspot toggle to turn it on. Make sure to read the network name and password shown. You'll need them. If you prefer, change the SSID now so it's recognizable. Once done, stop here only long enough to confirm the hotspot shows as active in the status bar. Now configure the hotspot for safety and speed. Open the hotspot settings and set security to WPA2PSK or WPA3 when possible. This encrypts traffic. Change the password to a strong passphrase, at least 12 characters with numbers and symbols, so others can't guess it. Next, choose the band: 5 GHz for faster local speeds, 4 GHz for range. Make that decision based on where devices sit. Finally, set max connect. Finish by connecting your laptop or tablet using the SSID and the new password you created. Enter credentials on the client device and confirm internet access. If a device won't get online, toggle the hotspot off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on. If that fails, restart your phone. Make sure mobile data is active and that APN settings match your carrier. As a last resort, reset network settings, but remember this removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.